how to buy Audible books with credits. Okay, let me guess. You just got Audible and you just started your membership. You got at least 1 credit left and you want to know how to use it to buy a book. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to do this on your phone and your computer in that order. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam and I want to make self-growth normal because people shouldn't have to look this information up. It should just be mainstream knowledge. If you agree, then please make sure to smash that like button. So here's how to do it on your phone. First, find the book you want under search, whatever book that you're looking to get. You can find search at the bottom of the screen, hit where it says plus buy with 1 credit, should be on a little orange box, and you just go from there. Here's how you do it on your computer. Find the book you want under find your next great listen, which is basically search, in the upper right hand corner of the screen, or if you're already looking at it, just hit buy with 1 credit and go from there. When I say go from there, it'll take you to a page that wants to confirm that you're using that credit on that book. How do credits work? If you're running out of credits, I did a video about how to buy more at a reduced price, just in case you're watching this and you're like, okay, but I just did this and now I'm running out of credits and there were other books that I was gonna buy. I will drop a link to that video below. If you want more of a general idea on how credits work, I did a video on that too. I'll drop a link to that as well. And lastly, if you have Audible and you like literally just got it and you want more of like a general idea of the app, what it is, how it works, credits, memberships, and a walkthrough of the app overall, I did an excellent video earlier this year going over all of this and I'll drop that in the description too. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. I hope you learned something. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, because I don't get why people watch this far in my videos and they don't subscribe. But if you have subscribed and you want to turn it up just a notch and turn on that notification bell to get a notification whenever I drop new videos, that would mean the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You can find me everywhere and I will see you then.